Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to use the Hostinger N8N coupon code for 2026 step by step so you don't miss a single discount. Let's start with why this coupon matters. Most Hostinger coupon codes out there give you a standard 10% off. The link I've shared gives you 20% off automatically. No manual code entry, no guesswork, plus a free .com domain on top of that. That's the biggest discount you'll find anywhere right now. Step 1. Get the right link. Scroll to the description or pinned comment and find the coupon link for your country. That's it. I've sorted them by region so the pricing shows up in your local currency. Step 2. Land on Hostinger's website. Once you click the link, you'll arrive on the official Hostinger site with my discount already attached in the background. Step 3. Navigate to N8N hosting. Click on services in the top navbar, then look for self-hosted N8N. This is Hostinger's VPS solution built specifically for running N8N automation, no shared hosting limitations, full control over your workflows. Step 4. Pick your plan. You will see 4 options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. KVM1 is great for beginners, KVM2 handles most serious automation projects, and KVM4 or KVM8 is ideal if you are running heavy workflows or multiple instances. I'm going with KVM2 today. Step 5. Check out your 20% discount and free domain will already be applied. Just use a new email address for the smoothest experience. That's it, 5 steps to the best Hostinger N8N deal available right now. If this helped, please like and subscribe. It genuinely supports the channel and helps me keep finding the best deals for you. Thanks for watching.